This was this piece when I started printing it, and it failed. And then I wanted black anyway, so. Here's the failed little brackets.
What actually you're designing?
Yeah.
We're just like collaborating and mixing something to perfect.
Your idea and making it happen.
No, well, it's both of our ideas. Yeah. This whole complete unit is practically made out of 3D print. Everything you see here in orange and black, this whole housing right here, this thing right here, it's crazy. A 3D printer that is made out of 3D prints. Insane. So he's got this cool reel system right here, and it actually runs the quick line that I use on my vacuum lines in my engine bay. Oh, look at it. It already started layering it. That's so cool. So this plate is hot.
Yeah.
And when the stuff
85.
comes out, 85 degrees that plate is?
Yeah, Celsius.
So it's really a lot hotter.
Really fucking hot. Yeah.
It's over 100 and something degrees. But it's laying. The stuff that comes out of here is the filament. And what filament are you using for this?
PETG. I don't remember the acronym. Polyethylene something glycol.
Okay.
They use the glycol in PET material, which is a pretty common plastic, to make it printable.
So that's the beginning of the print, and we're gonna come back in a little bit. We're gonna go see what he's printing here on the laptop out in the kitchen, and then we're gonna go into basically what he's trying to make me for my interior. Lexi, are you scared? Just got back from eating at this barbecue spot. So he's already got like a frame pretty much to go into the interior. Do we have it? Oh, it's out there. So he's building a frame to see if it fits actually right in the middle of this. Pretty much a test fit. See what adjustments he has to make. And honestly, it's
pretty
not
close.
that bad. That's a pretty, dude, that's solid.
But you see how it does that?
What are you gonna do? You're gonna add more?
Let's add a curve. Widen that a little bit, but the bottom edges are perfect.
Yeah, it is.
And the curve's perfect.
It's so just that section.
Yeah.
Bow it out and
Yeah.
lengthen this, so
Yeah, just a little
extend that.
bit. And then we'll be good.
That's the frame that he just printed here, and we just sized it up. But essentially what we're trying to make,
Ended up cutting out internally here so that it's a tray, and then it has this hook. That way you can put your phone in there and it won't slide forward out because it has that lip to hold it against. And then before I had it cut out as a square here, this square, but then I cut this.
and pretty much
oval.
essentially what we're making is a cubby.
Yeah.
Because I don't rock a radio, y'all know that. Because I told him, I was like, yo, can we 3D print me like something to fill that section in? Because I essentially just hold my A6300 that I'm shooting with in there, and sometimes miscellaneous stuff, and I need something because I don't rock a radio right now, because I listen to my car so much, and this kid knows that like I've been wanting something, but I didn't know what. And the fact we had some time last night, we kicked it till what, 2:30 in the morning?
Yeah.
This kid's tired.
I know. I was like, I need to go take a nap, man.
Yeah, and he still hasn't. He's up with Skittle Fabs, designing, making things fit, and hopefully we can now print this. How long is it gonna take?
Hour and 23 minutes. It's 2 days.
What?
It's a 2-day print.
Oh my god. I don't know how many hours you got into the design of this, but
Like 4 now. 1935 divided by 2. Yeah, and that's what it'll look like on my printer.
so you're gonna do it upside down though, right? I thought you were gonna do it
No.
upside down.
Do it from the bottom up, just like this. So that's what the top will look like.
Okay.
I mean, it can only do so much resolution, so we'll just take us. Yeah.
We got this guy struggling with the interior.
I'm not struggling.
We're gonna see how it looks after. You guys can see
Just a
that
lot of work.
he's taking out a lot of support material, and he's still going at it. We've been doing a lot of 3D printing this weekend, huh? Look at that thing, you guys. So cool. Check right now, see if it fits. Wow, dude.
Perfect, man.
That is. Lift it up.
We just gotta clean it up some more. There it
Yeah.
goes.
Take the sander to it. It's dope. We're gonna do that to the outer lip. Alright, so while he does that, he actually created a back plate. That way we could go ahead and take it out and drill it out, etc. If we want to pass cords through it, etc. You know what I mean.
This back plate, but then we can like make custom holes and like USBs and stuff.
Pretty dope, you guys. 38% done. So this is what I was thinking. He already was thinking about it because, clearly you 3D printer guys already know little techniques. That looks dope. I'm so happy. I told this guy just, I wanted something, and he just ran with it, and that's what he created. little, I don't know. What do you call it? What are you gonna call it?
I don't know. Right now I'm calling it a radio cubby, but I want to think of something.
3D printed radio cubby.
Radio storage
You
bin.
can
I
see
don't know.
the indents right there too. Like, gives a little bit more width on the sides.
Yeah.
I think that's so like.
Smooths it out so that it
Yeah.
just offsets this.
Yeah, it definitely looks so cool. And if you look in the back, that is where the back plate is gonna slide into, which is pretty neat. Let's see if I can get you guys a better angle. Right there, there's a slide in
Is that printing okay?
spot.
Is that
Oh
printing?
yeah. Yep. When you run out of heat on the other one?
No, this one will just work a little better.
Hey, look at your dog. Hey, Dad, look at my your doggy. Daddy, look at
Hold
the
on,
dog.
baby.
Ooh, guy. That looks nice. It even has a glossy look to it.
Yeah.
But once we have it bolted up, it'll look even better. That's so awesome.
Spray a little gloss black paint on it.
Whatever, you're the creator guy. JoshTosh Creations.
Dad,
What?
watch.
So that is the back plate. Still going. About 50% done. And that's so cool how this thing does it. This, you guys, is just a beautiful piece. Thank you, JoshTosh Creations, for making me that. You're gonna do this on hot tank, right?
Yeah.